Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. There we have the problem on the screen. Find the derivative of the following function with respect to the corresponding independent variable. So the function that's been given to us is tan x by x, right? So let's write it down. My f of x is tan x by x, and it is of the type u by v, right? And we now know and we are quite familiar with the quotient rule in differentiation. So if I'm going to call my u as tan x and my v as x, my f is of the format u by v, which means my f dashed. And for those of you who are yet to take a look at my quotient rule in differentiation, I'm going to put a link to that particular video in the description. Please do take a look at it. And I'm going to put the formula out here directly, and it's important that you remember this formula, right? My denominator will have v square and my numerator will have vu dashed minus uv dashed, right? So this is what we have. My f dash equals vu dashed minus uv dashed divided by v square, and dash here refers to d by dx, right? So we have solved earlier for tan x and x, right? And we know that my d by dx of tan x is secant square x, and my dy dx of x is 1, right? So this calls for a simple substitution. So let's do that. What is my v square? My v square is x square. So I'm going to do that. My x square, I have it in the denominator. And what is my v? My v is x. My u dashed is secant square x, right? So let me write that because my d by dx of tan x is secant square x. We've solved for this in my earlier video using the quotient rule of differentiation because my tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x, again a function of the type u by v, and I'll put a link to that particular video in the description. Please take a look at it. And I have my d by dx of tan x is secant square t, secant square x. So let me write that secant square x. And then I have my second part of the numerator, which is uv dash. And what is my u? Tan x, right? So I write it as it is. And what is my v dashed? My v dashed is nothing but d by dx of x, which is 1, right? So there we have the answer for this particular problem. A simple, straightforward application of the quotient rule. D by dx of tan x by x equals x secant square x minus tan x by x square. So that's the final answer for the problem. I hope you found this content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.